Nagkasagutan sa Kongreso dahil absent si Vice President Sara Duterte. Anong dahilan? Pinupolitika raw kasi ang budget ng Office of the Vice President. Napakadami daw tanong. Bakit kasi ayaw sagutin ng Vice President kung saan gagastusin ang pera? Pera naman yan ng taong bayan. Pera ng mamamayang Pilipino. Ang sagot ni Congressman Marcoleta, tradisyon na raw kasing aprubahan agad ang budget ng Vice President at Presidente. Bakit daw ngayon ginigisa si VP Sara na hindi naman daw ginagawa kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos? Nagkasagutan nga sa Kamara tungkol dito.
Ang tinatanong ko po, tradisyon po natin ito Ang problema ay marami dito na yung point kaya hindi nila alam yung tradisyon. I am saying, Madam Chair, this was a tradition well kept for so long. It was never, it did not happen before. Now, ang tanong ko po, bakit nangyari po nung nalarat, nangyayari na naman ngayon? You may not like the person, you may not like her presence here, but you have to respect the office of the Vice President. That is all. Because that is guided by the tradition. Kahapon po, kagaya po na sinabi nila, wala nang pinagtanong sa office of the President. And that is correct. That is in line with that tradition. Ngayon po, kung ang tinatanong ko ngayon, are we discarding that tradition? And is this committee authorized to discard a well-kept tradition? O kaya na, then why are we intending to ask questions na naman at pinatawag nyo na naman kung sino-sino dito? That is why, kung hindi po kayo makakasagot, Madam, ang tinanong ko na sa inyo, I am now moving.
So the question is, when we did that to the Vice President earlier, now we're doing it now, are we now setting aside this tradition? That's number one question. Number two, is this committee authorized to set aside the tradition?
Your Honor, short answer is no to both questions.
Okay. If that is the answer, Madam Chair, and we are all bound to respect one tradition so sacred in our hearts, because we are called honorables in this house. We cannot be honorables if we cannot honor our own tradition. We are defined by what we believe as a tradition in this house. So if we are now all amenable that we have kept that tradition, no longer questions are being asked, then I will respectfully move, Madam Chair, to terminate the budget of the OBP for 2025. I thought we have kept the tradition. The tradition is no longer ask any question. That was the tradition. So why are you voting against the motion?
The majority of the will is always respected.
It's inconsistent with the tradition that we have already agreed to observe.